The third Fantastic Beasts films was delayed because it's so gigantic. Dan Fogler, who plays Jacob Kowalski in the Harry Potter spin-off franchise, has claimed they won't start filming the follow-up to last year's Fantastic Beasts, Crimes of Grindelwald, until the fall. Fogler told Hey You Guys that they start in the fall, and that's because the movie is going to be so gigantic, they don't want to rush it as it's going to be bigger than the first 2 movies combined. Though no further details have emerged about the third movie, it's expected to focus on the complex relationship between Grindelwald, played by Johnny Depp, and Dumbledore, played by Jude Law. There are set to be 5 movies based on the magizoologist Newt Scamander, played by Eddie Redmayne. David Yates will direct with J.K. Rowling, David Heyman, Steve Kloves, and Lionel Wigram producing again. Award-winning author Rowling revealed back in June last year that she had started penning the script for Fantastic Beasts 3. If you like and subscribe to our videos, there's a chance your favorite celebrity will follow you on Twitter. We can't prove that, but we're saying there's a chance.